How to fix iPhone turn off automatically. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. There are various reasons why your iPhone switches off automatically and will not turn back on. It's usually caused by battery or software issues or storage issues or hardware issues. So first things first, plug into a wall charger and not a laptop, and then go ahead and charge for at least 30 to 60 seconds. And if nothing appears, you can try a different cable and adapter, as sometimes the low version of cable or adapter might be the reason why your iPhone is not charging. See if your issue is fixed or not, and if not, then you have to force restart your iPhone. So simply press and release the volume up button and then quickly press and release the volume down button. Further, go ahead and press and release the power button until Apple logo appears. Once it appears, release the power button and your iPhone will take a forced restart. This fixes many automatic shutdown issues. Once your phone is started, go ahead and open settings and tap on battery and then on battery health and charging. Here, if the maximum capacity is below 80%, the battery may cause random shutdowns, so you might need to replace your battery. See if that helps, and if not, then low storage could be a problem too. So in settings again, tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Here, make sure to keep at least 5 to 10 GB free, as this could help in fixing the shutdown issue. And the next fix is in settings again, tap on general and then on software update. Go ahead and install the latest update available in order to fix the shutdown bugs. Now, in general again, tap on transfer or reset iPhone and then tap on reset and then on reset all settings. Enter your passcode and reset all settings, as doing this will clear all the settings bugs and will not delete your data. See if your issue is fixed or not, and if not, then your iPhone may sometimes turn off. It's very hot. So go ahead and try to remove your case and then let it cool for 15 to 20 minutes, and make sure to avoid charging during that period. And by now your issue should have been fixed. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix iPhone turning off automatically. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.